Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I love taking supplements because I am aware that sometimes my diet is not as balanced as it should be or as I would want it to be. And it is always great to ensure that I am giving my body all the nutrients and minerals it needs from supplements. So it's definitely something that makes me feel good. It's something that is kind of reassuring to me, taking supplements, because I know that I am giving my body what it needs. And Immunocal is an amazing, amazing supplement. It is one that I honestly want to take forever because its benefits are just so amazing. And the main ingredient of the Immunocal is glutathione precursor. It's a whey protein isolate with bonded cysteine. And this Immunocal is amazing for so many reasons. You can actually take a look at the label and read a little bit about all the benefits that Immunocal has. But I can definitely say I have seen the difference from when I do not take Immunocal and from when I do take it. It is honestly amazing, and it is so easy to prepare. As you can see, the Immunocal is a powder. So basically, you would mix the powder with some water. And the instructions are pretty simple and they are also in the label. But I can definitely say my life has been before and after ever since I've taken Immunocal. And that's my point of view.